हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द वर्चुअल टीचर। इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे क्लास 9 साइंस का बुक का जो चैप्टर 1 है उसके इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर मैटर इन सराउंडिंग के। पिछली वीडियो में हम पेज नंबर 3 के क्वेश्चन आंसर देख चुके हैं। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पेज नंबर 6, पेज नंबर 9 और पेज नंबर 10 के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा, द मास पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस इज कॉल्ड डेंसिटी। डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम। ये डेंसिटी का फॉर्मूला होता है। Arrange the following in order of increasing density: air, exhaust from chimneys, honey, water, chalk, cotton and iron. Answer: increasing density. Air, exhaust from chimneys, cotton, water, honey, chalk, iron. तो सबसे ज्यादा डेंसिटी किसकी होती है? आयरन की होती है। तो यही सीक्वेंस फॉलो होता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, tabulate the difference in the characteristics of states of matter. B. Comment upon the following: rigidity, compressibility, fluidity, filling a gas container, shape, kinetic energy and density. Answer: difference in the characteristics of three states of matter. Characteristics: solid, liquid, gas. Shape: fixed shape, no fixed shape, no fixed shape. Volume: fixed volume, fixed volume, no fixed volume. Rigidity, fluidity: are rigid, cannot flow, can flow, not rigid, can flow, not rigid. Fourth, intermolecular force. सॉलिड में क्या होता है? मैक्सिमम, लेस देन सॉलिड्स, वेरी लेस. इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस, वेरी लेस, more than solids, maximum and less than gas. Compressibility: negligible, compressible, highly compressible. Comment on rigidity: the tendency of a substance to maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. Compressibility: the matter has intermolecular space. The external force applied on the matter can bring these particles closer. This property is called compressibility. Gases and liquids are compressible. Third, fluidity: the tendency of particles to flow is called fluidity. Liquids and gases flow. Fourth, filling of a gas container. Gases have particles which vibrate randomly in all the directions the gas can fill the container. Fifth, shape: solids have maximum intermolecular force and definite shape, whereas liquid and gases take the shape of container. Kinetic energy: the energy possessed by particles due to their motion is called kinetic energy. Molecules of gases vibrate randomly as they have maximum kinetic energy. Next question is, give reasons. A gas fills completely the vessels in which it is kept. The gas particles have a tendency to move freely in all directions as they have very less force of attraction between their particles. Like water, gas can also take the shape of the container in which it is kept. Therefore, we can say that gas completely fills the vessels in which it is kept. Next question. A gas exerts pressure on the walls of the container. Answer: the gas particles move freely due to its lesser force of attraction between the particles. Therefore, these gaseous particles continuously collide with each other and with the walls of the container with a greater force. Pressure is known as the force produced by the gas particles per unit area. By this, we can say that gas exerts pressure on the walls of the container. Next, C. a wooden table should be called a solid? Answer. A wooden table is very rigid in nature, which means that it has a definite shape and its shape cannot be changed easily and has definite volume to the shape is fixed due to strong intermolecular forces. Hence it attains all the properties of solid, therefore it is considered as a solid. Next, D. We can easily move our hands in air, but to do the same through a solid block of wood, we need a karate expert. Answer. Air particles have very less force of attraction between their particles, so they have large space in between them, but wood has very little space between the particles due to its high force of attraction. Therefore, wood is considered to be of rigid nature. Due to this reason, we can easily move hands in air, but the same will not happen through a solid block of wood. For this, we need a karate expert. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग टेम्परेचर टू सेल्सियस स्केल। इसमें हमें फॉर्मूला लगाना है। हम लोगों को केल्विन जो है ना उसको डिग्री सेल्सियस में चेंज करना है। तो देखिए ये नॉर्मल सा फॉर्मूला है, केल्विन इज इक्वल टू 273 डिग्री सेल्सियस। तो आप लोगों को कुछ भी नहीं करना है, नॉर्मल सा है। देखिए 300 केल्विन है, ठीक है। आपको इसको सेल्सियस में चेंज करना है। फॉर्मूला ये है कि केल्विन इज इक्वल टू 273 डिग्री सेल्सियस। आपको केल्विन की जगह क्या रखना है, 300। आपको केल्विन की जगह क्या रखना है, 300, और आपको इसको सेल्सियस निकालना है। तो 300 इज इक्वल टू 273 प्लस डिग्री सेल्सियस, और इधर जो प्लस में है दूसरी तरफ जाने के बाद क्या हो जाता है, वो माइनस में हो जाता है। तो 300 माइनस 273, तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 27। ये फॉर्मूला लगाना है आपको, केल्विन दिया हुआ है, केल्विन की जगह वैल्यू पुट करनी है और बस आपका आंसर आ जाएगा। ऐसे ही सेकंड में क्या करना है, 573 केल्विन दिया गया है, आपको क्या करना है, इसमें भी आपको क्या लगा देना है, फॉर्मूला लगा देना है। तो 573 केल्विन इज इक्वल टू क्या कर देंगे, 573 माइनस 273 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो आपका आंसर 300 आ जाएगा। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द फिजिकल स्टेट of water at 250 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius. Solution: at 250 degrees Celsius, gaseous state since it is beyond its boiling point. At 100 degrees Celsius, it is at the transition state as the water is at its boiling point. Hence, it would be present in both liquid and gaseous state. Next, for any substance, why does the temperature remain constant during the change of state? Answer: it is due to the latent heat, as the heat supplied to increase the temperature of the substance is used up to transform the state of matter of the substance. Hence, the temperature stays constant. Next question: suggest a method to liquefy atmospheric gases. It can be achieved by either increasing the pressure or decreasing the temperature, which ultimately leads to the reduction of space between molecules. Next question, page number 10. Why does a desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day? Answer: it is because the temperature is high and it is less humid on a hot dry day, which enables better evaporation. High levels of this evaporation provide better cooling effects. Next, how does the water kept in an earthen pot, matka, become cool during summer? Answer: an earthen pot is porous in nature. These tiny pores facilitate penetration of water and hence their evaporation from the pot surface. The process of evaporation requires energy, which is contributed by water in the pot, as a result of which water turns cooler. Next question. Why does our palm feel cold when we put on some acetone or petrol or perfume on it? Acetone, petrol and perfume are volatile substances that get evaporated when they come in contact with air. Evaporation is facilitated as it uses energy from palm, hence leaving a cooling effect on our palms. Question number 4. Why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup? A saucer has a larger surface area than a cup, which promotes quicker evaporation. Hence, the tea or milk in a saucer cools down faster. Next, question number 5. What type of clothes should we wear in summer? In summer, it is preferred to wear light colored cotton clothes because light color reflects heat and cotton materials have pores that absorb sweat, facilitating their evaporation, hence causing a cooling effect in the skin.